I'm going to show you how you can easily use cookies in Spotify. First, go to your web browser like Google Chrome on your PC. Next, click the extension icon in the top navigation bar. In the pop-up menu, click Manage Extensions, and then you'll be directed to the extensions page. Here, go to the search bar to search for cookies. Now, click the three dots icon in the top right corner of your browser. Reach the Extensions option and click Visit Chrome Web Store in the further menu. After that, search for Cookies Extractor and press Enter to start searching. To add this extension, click the Add to Chrome button on the right side. Now add this extension and then it will be added to your browser. This extension will be shown in the navigation bar of your browser. After that, search for Spotify and open the website by clicking the first link. Once you're on the site, click the extension icon and select Cookies Extractor. Later, click the Extract Now button to extract all the cookies. At the end, open the notes file and paste all these cookies here.